Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Overall, vinyl liner pools are the cheapest in-ground swimming pools that money can buy. It's rare to find a pool builder who can build a concrete or fiberglass pool at a vinyl liner pool price. This does not mean that vinyl liner pools are never expensive.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Here are 5 ways to save money, whether it's a few $100s or thousands. Choose vinyl. Vinyl pools are markedly less expensive than either concrete or fiberglass, in terms of initial price tag, anyway. Go with a smaller pool. Use a pool kit. Install in the fall. Cut out the extras.
Take our lead.
1. Real estate value. Despite what you may have heard in the past, yes, an in-ground swimming pool does increase the value of your home. A few years ago, the National Association of Realtors stated that on average, an in-ground swimming pool will increase a home's value by 4 to 6%.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
While some people do opt to take on a DIY in-ground fiberglass pool project, most DIY in-ground pool projects are with vinyl liner pools. Of course, as with fiberglass pools, you're going to have to do your own excavation, backfill the pool, install the liner, plumbing, and hardware, and do the coping and patio.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.